Alright, so I know my sound is not good. I know my sound is off. I'm not sure why, but I tried to play with the settings on this thing and it's just doing the same thing over and over. So I hope you guys get some value out of this one. I wanted to show you guys what happened this morning. Let me see if I can pull this up real quick. Let's go to stocks. So this morning, I ended up with 760. I jumped in ULBI at 1136, jumped out at 1155. But man, I tried to sell up here, but it just wouldn't let me. I don't know what was going on this morning, but let me show you guys the video real quick. I was kind of pissed off because I was over my goal. I hit my goal, but it wouldn't let me sell. It wouldn't take my order, and then finally I got filled over here. I kind of started recording late too, so I don't know what was going on. So let me just play the video so you guys can see what happened. It's under a minute. As you can see, look at the time. I jumped in at 9:30:04. I jumped out at 9:30:19. So that was like, what, 15 seconds? So in and out, because I know it's a slow market. I'm just looking to get in and get out, scalp it, just take my profits and run, because we know how, the past couple of days have been. It's been super slow, right? So we just get in and out very quickly. But let me play this video so you guys can see what's going on. Let's close this out. Close this out. All right, so check this out, right? So as you can see, I started recording late, right? Now, I jumped in right there as soon as I saw volume kicking in. It's going above go time, so I see volume kicking in, a huge amount of volume kicking in. So I jump in, and then it's all the way up here at 1170. I'm trying to sell. You see that? I sold at 1174. 1174. I jumped in at 1136. Try to sell at 1136. I jumped in. I tried to sell at 1174. It wouldn't allow me to sell. It wouldn't allow me to sell. So check this out. I had to cancel that order. As you can see, it's dropping fast now. So check this out. If I try to sell right there, 1155, and finally it let me through. Actually, let's rewind this a little bit because I had to watch this. Boom.
What the fuck?
It just had a delay. I don't know what it was doing, and then as soon as it sold down here, it popped up again, and then it ended up dropping all the way down. But yeah, man, I got cheated a little bit this morning. Sometimes that happens. You don't get fills. Sometimes you just don't get filled. I never get upset when I don't get filled. I know some people, it's just part of the game, man. It's just, you just got to roll with the punches. But that's how it went down this morning. So as you can see, I jumped in right there, tried to sell, boom. It just wouldn't allow me to sell. I had to cancel this order, tried to sell there,
What the fuck?
and then finally it sold. Then it pops up. I was kind of pissed off because I had hit my goal. I did, man, it would have been a way better trade if I sold at 1174 like I anticipated. But it is what it is. I'm gonna keep this video short. I know I haven't posted a lot in a minute now, so hope you guys get some value out of this one. I tried to wait for it to do a pullback so I could jump back in, but it just didn't. So I just never jumped back in. But yeah, if you guys get some value out of this one, go ahead and share it and like it. And don't forget, you guys, how am I finding these stocks? Through Tradeideas. Tradeideas is basically my scanner. My scanner is telling me what's hot and what's not. Um, this is pretty much where I'm finding my stocks. So as you can see, early in the morning, ULBI is popping up on the scanner. Of course, I'm gonna jump in. Um, it's a slow market, so I got to rely on this scanner to tell me what's happening. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe and share the video if you think someone else will get some value out of this one. If you need training for this, hit me up. All right. We'll talk soon.